Hi students, welcome to the 1 Minute English with Zach English Crash Course, ZECC 101. Our today's lecture is about the adverb of frequency. The adverb of frequency, look at these examples. These are the examples: always, sometimes and never. Always, sometimes and never. Where do they go in a sentence? Always starts work at 7 p.m. In this sentence, adverb of frequency is before the main verb. In this sentence, adverb of frequency is after the verb to be. Isn't is the to be verb, and the adverb of frequency is after the to be verb. Okay, sentence number 3 is Helen always hated the early stars. This sentence, adverb of frequency is after the auxiliary verb. In this sentence, adverb of frequency is after the auxiliary verb. This is a 1 Minute English with Zach English Crash Course, ZECC 101. Take care.